Forget the teller lines. Let's unlock the secrets to opening a Huntington Bank account from the comfort of your couch. First, head to Huntington, that's huntington.com. You'll see their main webpage. Hover over the checking tab at the top of the page. This will reveal the different checking account options available. Take a moment to explore the various options like Huntington 5 Checking or Huntington Perks Checking. Each offers different features and benefits, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Consider things like minimum balance requirements and potential fees. Once you've chosen an account, click the Open Now button, typically found beneath the account description. This will take you to the online application. Now, the application form, you'll need to provide some essential information like your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Be sure to have a governmentist ID handy as you might need information from it. Huntington Bank prioritizes security, so expect a verification step. This usually involves receiving a code via text message or email to confirm your identity. Next, you'll need to fund your new account. Typically, you can link an existing bank account and transfer funds electronically or deposit a check using their mobile app later. Review all the information you provided, and if everything looks good, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully opened. Welcome to Huntington Bank.